Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform, and that's where you participate by hitting that thumbs up will help me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today I'm really excited to share with you. This came unannounced, and I've only been getting this a few months, so it looks like this is going to be something we will be showing on the channel. This is from the brand called Glossybox. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful outside packaging. And the one thing with Glossybox that no other box does is they have the most beautiful, beautiful presentation on the outside of the box. A lot of times it is in their traditional pink, but sometimes they do an extra special box. And when I opened this up, it blew me away. This is going to be on my countertop because it is stunning. The quality of the outside of this box is beyond. This is the outside of the box. Is this not stunning? And then look at this. I mean, they did not miss a detail on this. It is beyond stunning. And it is a hard keepsake box. And on top of it, it has that metallic closure. It is just beautiful. I am over the moon before I even open this up. And when you open up a glossy box, inside they always have a tissue paper. I'm just going to, because I take everything out to make sure that nothing is damaged inside and double check everything. And they always have a beautiful ribbon with a matching tissue paper inside, a few little sprinkly papers that are always like this one is in this orangey, beautiful, beautiful color. But the box on its own is beyond stunning. I have some links down below that will give you discounts in different ways. So I'm not going to go through all that here on the video. I will leave those links down below, and then you can choose if this is a box that you're not receiving or it's time for you to renew. If some of those links end up giving you the type of deal that you're comfortable with, I'm going to leave those down below in the description box. I'm not affiliated. They're not affiliate links. They're links that just save you money on boxes and things like that. So, but it is very sweet of them to send me, and thank you so much for sending me this box and be able to share it on my channel, as well as offering me these links that will enable my subscribers to be able to get some fantastic discounts on this box. This is a monthly box. It runs around that $20 mark. And I'm really, but like I said, there's all these different deals going on. So what you end up paying is based on how long you keep a box and so on and so forth. But this, in my understanding, when I started doing, boxes, this was a UK box. This is their USA version. They do have a UK glossy box, and they have a USA glossy box. So the items inside are completely different. They also come with a beautiful brochure inside, which tells you everything about the products that we're going to get. In mine, when I checked, one of the items that's marked in here that I should have gotten, it is a different item. I don't know if other people have gotten glossy boxes, if that's something that has happened to them in the past, but this is the first time that that has happened in the few boxes that I've received from them. So I'm going to go through everything so you guys can see what this is all about. I am blown away by this box. Like I said, the box on its own already got me. And then the items inside are brands that I'm very comfortable with. Some that I have some knowledge of that I'm going to share with you my own review on. And then the others will read from inside here. So this simply is in here, the first item that they're showing in here, some of you might be receiving, and I'm just going to show you the picture of it because it's what I didn't receive. It is this item here, and it is from the brand called Chloe Noir, and it is a full-size item, and the value of that is $16. What I received in my box that isn't on the card is this item here, which is from Ciate London. And this is an item that I have purchased for myself in the past, actually through Ipsy and Ipsy add-ons. And this one is from Ciate London. It is their blushes that have an illuminator inside. And I fell in love with this so much that I bought it in every color that was available at that time in the add-on section. It reminds me so much and behaves so much like the high-end Hourglass blushes. So this is definitely a winner if this ends up in your box. So this is one that I can tell you about. The next item in here, they're also saying is full size, and it's a pair of brushes here. And this one here says it is from the brand called Elena Badreau. And they're saying this is a Diva Deluxe set. They're saying these are beautiful sea green set, includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled brush can be used for your brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defining your blending. They're saying these two brushes have a $34 value, and they also have, and I'll leave all this information in the description box down below where you can shop for it. They are saying the top tip for this is to create the perfect eye look, define your brows, and then blend your shadows. So that's what these look like here. The name of the company is on here, but not like a number or anything that I can see right now. If I see anything later after I'm filming, I will definitely leave that in the description box down below. But they're beautiful, they're lightweight, and they feel very soft. But you only know how brushes perform when you use them. So really, really excited to get that. The next item in here is from a brand that a lot of us know and love, and it is called Perlissé. And this one is also considered full size. This is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. They're saying the sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. It's formulated for all skin types, including sensitive. This mask contains Blue Lotus seaweed, mulberry, anise fruit, and will combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. This one mask is a $6 value, and again, the name of the website is down below. They're saying the top tip on this is to, after cleansing, apply the mask to your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then pat the remaining essence into your skin. As I tell you all the time, in these masks, there is so much extra essence or serums that are in here. What I always recommend is removing it over a sink from up above, and then what's ever left in here, fold it down and tighten it up with a chip clip, and then you'll be able to use the serum like your daily serum over the next couple of days. And that's how I get more use out of a one-use mask. The next item in here is from this brand called Batiste. This is their travel size. This is a brand that I have used a lot of their dry shampoo. They all have different scents. They're all fantastic. And this one I'm really, really excited to share with you. It is a volumizing dry shampoo. You put some oomph back into your locks with this dry shampoo, creating for when you are on the go and need a quick refresh. It's made with collagen complex that will clean formula removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. The MSRP on the full size is $3.99. And they're saying the top tip on this is shake and spray on your roots, hold it 12 inches away from your head, massage with your fingertips, leaving it 1 minute, then brush and style. These are like how you use every shampoo. A dry shampoo, just make sure not to use it too close to your scalp because some of these leave a white residue. I know with Batiste, they even have some that are in different colors. So if you have a brunette hair, blonde hair, something like that, I enjoy this brand. Like I said, this is an inexpensive brand that's available in a lot of drugstores, but it behaves like a high-end brand. So happy a lot of you guys will be able to receive it as well as try it if you're not familiar with this brand. And the last item in here is from this brand called Verso. This is also a high-end brand, and this one is the deluxe size. This is an eye cream. They're saying it is a rich formula that nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It adds its potency with a combination of fermented oat and a hyaluronic acid, which is boosting your yeast extract. They're saying the MSRP for the 7 ml is $21, and the full size is a 20 ml, and that's a $60. Like I said, this is an expensive brand, but it definitely, you will see, I'm impressed with this brand. I've had the opportunity through some other boxes receive this brand, not the eye cream, so I can't talk about the eye cream, but I did get their face cream and it really impressed me. You definitely see a difference with using this brand. So it'll be nice to be able to try the deluxe sample size of this. And like I said, this is not an inexpensive brand. This is a beautiful, beautiful box. Everything in here are brands that I either are being introduced to, which is this brand here for the brushes. I'm not familiar with it all, but every other brand in here, I've had the opportunity to use and recommend. The Ciate London, the Verso, the Baltiste, as well as Perlissé. So to everybody, this is a box I would highly recommend. The box, like I said, on its own is a gift in itself. Like I said, I will leave the links to whatever the deals are that are being offered this month in the description box down below. So that if you're interested in it, make sure to use those links so you'll be able to access those deals. Again, this is not sponsored. This is not affiliate links. These are links that are enabling you to get a discount on your box. And thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this over to True Wants channel for me to be able to share with all my viewers. And that's it for today. So once again, I always appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. Please share in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products and your voice is heard in the comments, as well as my voice is heard here on camera. So I want to make sure that you share with everybody in the comments down below. And I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.